Smart Drawer Lock Installation Guide. Smart Fingerprint Cabinet Lock can also be used as keyless drawer lock. This lock can convert any wardrobe into a locker. You can store your valuable with safety. No additional wiring or holes are needed to install this digital locker lock. You can replace the existing wardrobe lock. Simply follow the instructions in this video to install the drawer lock with fingerprint in Pakistan. You can do it yourself, no need for professional carpenter for this cabinet lock. You can easily pair this wardrobe lock with the Tuya or Smart Life application. Ensure the Bluetooth is turned on and follow the instructions in the video to pair this keyless cabinet lock with the mobile application. You can add multiple fingerprints and check record in the mobile for unlock. Open the Tuya or Smart Life application on your Android or iOS mobile and click on Add New Device. Follow the on-screen instructions.